Hey guys, what is up YouTube? I'm here with another unboxing video. We have 3 other videos of unboxing. We have the Samsung phone unboxing, the keyboard unboxing, and the Doodle Pixel 7 unboxing. So yeah, check those out. And today we have the iPad Pro Apple. So yeah, we're gonna open it up and see how it's like. Like all the other videos I said, this is not mine. So don't open it. Oh, this little theme for you to open. That's nice. Little stickles. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Oh, things it up. Just pull. Easy. I am not that good at taking off stickles. That's not very guy. I'm really bad at pulling the stickers off, but let's open this bad boy up. Yeet. Okay. Okay. It's unfortunate. Do we? Let's go. Yeah. Some of those. Yeah. That's better. Okay. That was loud. Just thoughts. To the Apple. Okay, I'm gonna open this bad boy up. This is an iPad. Yeah. It's like maybe I'll do like this. Okay. So this is iPad. Nice. Charger. For some reason, it's not. Oh, no, there's packaging. No, it's packaging. Ooh, shiny. It's so shiny. It's like a pretty sticky, like. Pretty sticky, like charger. Pretty big. See? To put it in, the charger. But it looks nice, but like it feels sticky. So yeah. Over here, we have something like a manual. Oh, let's see if it's a manual. Maybe it's like something done. You have Apple stickers. I might keep these. Manual, tips, blah, 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 like blah, blah, blah. Just maybe read it and pause the video. I think there's not anything else. I think there's anything else. So, this one. This. Yeet. 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 Now we have like the USB or something like the input. I don't know, something like that. You know, plug it in, put it in the charger, put it in the cell phone, you know, like that. And yeah, that's all the other things to team with. Now let's open up the iPad. Now we're gonna put this off. Ooh, how's that one? Ooh. Oh yeah! Okay, so the Apple logo, so it's pretty shiny. Ooh, it kind of looks like a mirror, kind of. It's like a mirror. Oh, I didn't see myself with this. That's actually cool. So here's the camera. So the camera over here. So yeah. Let's just open it up a little more. So for us just to see the entire thing. Okay. So this is amazing. Oh yeah, Apple iPad. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Such a nice. Look at that. It's pretty nice. It's like big, smooth. It's like nice. Like, look at it. Huh? It's pretty nice. It's solid. Good deal. And man, like, pretty nice. We'll just see if there's anything in box. A lot of people say, like, oh, it's small. Now there's nothing else I can pull out here, really. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time in the next unboxing video. So see you later and peace.